Look no further than the 2023 Acura MDX. Best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Spaciousness, does-it-all vehicle. Designed to fit your lifestyle with style. Designed to surpass expectations. Superior handling. Powerful, high performance. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, premium sound system, satellite radio, remote engine start. You deserve to experience the power and luxury of the MDX. Stop by or call us today.